Now it's time to finish Unit 4, Lesson 5 with when clauses but for expressing future sentences. So when clauses in future sentences, you use them, when plus a clause in future statements or sentences. They can be affirmative ones, negative ones, or interrogative ones to talk about a time in the future when something happens. The when clause uses the simple present tense, not the future. Look, it can come first or second in the sentence, no? Similar to the past ones. So the order can be at the beginning or in the second part. This is really important. Let's continue now. For example, when I find a permanent position, I'm going to work on becoming a manager. So we don't use will. Look, I'm going to work on becoming a manager when I find a permanent position. So that's what it means here about the order, no, the position. So they can be first or second in a sentence. First or second. You know, when we start with when, we use a comma in the middle. But when we use when in the middle, the comma is not necessary, okay? It says, now use a comma only when the when clause comes first. Another one. When we finish interviewing all the candidates, we will make a decision. Not when we will finish. So it's not possible to use future tense in the when clause, only the present simple one. It's equal to say we will make a decision when we finish interviewing all the candidates. Okay, pay attention. When we use when, look at like these ones, we use the present simple tense. No another one. Fine, finish, as you can see. No other conjugation. Let's create more examples for you. When I finish university, comma, because I start with when, and now I use the future. Maybe going to, maybe present continuous, maybe will. So when I finish university, I will work in a company. Can you see? When I finish university, I will work in a company. Let's pay attention to this. When, this is a when clause, so I use present simple. And now let's pay attention to the position. When is at the beginning, so I use a comma in the middle. And then I use future. I will work in a company. Another example. They are coming, or they are going, okay, they are going out, future, but using present progressive or present continuous, they are going out when they, okay, they are going out when they leave, home, for example. Look at, when I use when here, we use present simple, when they leave home. Present simple. And now the another one, they are going out. This is present progressive, but remember, we also use present progressive for future. So they are going out when they leave home. When they leave home, they are going out. And remember, we use a comma when the when clause is at the beginning, first. But when I use when in the middle, no comma, okay? They are some examples for you.